So now what I'm doing here is I preheat the pot, put olive oil, and the ingredients for this ground beef, like the meatballs. I cut mushrooms and mushroom, onion, carrots, mix all together. So now putting in the pot to just brown it all the sides. So trying to flip it this time. As you can see, it's a bit harder to flip because my pot is not spacious enough. So like I said, we'll just gonna flip it one by one. We don't have to really actually cook thoroughly at this time. We just want to brown all the sides, because later on when we mix it with the pasta, it will cook again. So until all the sides are brown and it looks good now. Just waiting for the other side to brown. Now it's all good, so I am transferring it to a plate. So in the same pot, just gonna remove a little bit of that excess oil, so I don't want too oily, and just not too much oil. So in the same pot, I will be putting the I'm putting the onion just to fry it until become softer. Then I will add the carrots as well, because carrots is a bit longer to cook. So just mixing it for a few minutes, and then I'm adding the rest of the vegetables that I want to use for the pasta. So mushrooms, green bell pepper, carrots. Just mixing it together and cook it for another few minutes. You don't have to really thoroughly cook this time. Once it's almost cooked, like half cooked, then we'll add the tomato sauce. You can use any tomato sauce that you like. So just adding the tomato sauce right now. I use 1 can, like the big can. And mix them all together again. So just trying to mix it evenly. Incorporate all the sauce. Then simmer it for another 10 minutes. So you can add salt and pepper for taste. And if you want to add a bit of soya sauce, you can do that as well. But this time, I'm just using salt and pepper. So, leave it for another 10 minutes. So now, after 10 minutes, and we're just gonna leave it another few minutes this time. Then we will add the meatballs together. So good. We can add the meatballs. So like I said, your meatballs doesn't have to be fully cooked because we're adding it here and it will cook again. And simmer it for another 10 to 15 minutes in a low temperature, very low temperature. So now I have here another pot. I want to boil the water for our pasta. So once the water is boiling, we can add, actually I didn't show you how I put the olive oil earlier, olive oil and a bit of salt before I put in the pasta. So once a while, we can mix it. I'm just adding a little bit more pasta. We can mix it so they will not stick together. So our pasta sauce and meatballs still simmering. It looks like the pasta is almost cooked. Just gonna wait for another few minutes. Then now I think it's all good. in any kind of grated cheese. So you can do 3 layers or 4 layers. You can make this all year round. This is my signature pasta. I love it. It's, like I said, it's simple but delicious. If you don't want to put cheese on it, it's okay too, but it will actually add more flavor too. So that's how you do it, and then you cover again, simmer it for another 10 minutes. I'm making the green salad here. You can use any green vegetables that you like. I just have like a mixed greens here, so it's a little bit of cucumber, shredded carrots, some tomatoes as well. Removing a little bit of the stem that is not fresh. You can also put red onion if you like cut it into very thin. Then I like strawberries as well, so I added strawberries here. You can put avocado as well. It will make the dressing creamier. And this one is a walnut, dried walnut. You can add as well. You can use any nuts that you like. That's all, and then mix it all together, and you can put it in the fridge before you serve, or you can serve it right away. Just mix them up all together. Again, I don't put too much dressing. I just like very not too much, because so now our beef is cooked. This is steam. That's how it look like. Looks so good, right? Yeah, so we can put them in the plate. Can't wait to eat. So that's our pasta and meatballs. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. It is very easy and simple to make. So that's our pasta and meatballs. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. It is very easy and simple to make, but tasty. See you next time.